At this moment, I think, dang, there goes my camera as it sinks to the bottom. Join me on this episode as I take my mom on Mother's Day adventure. Happy Mother's Day.
New. Oh. I think these are wagon wheel tracks where the wagons would go through. Alright guys, I got my mom here with me. It's Mother's Day. We're heading down to the waterfall. I got Kate. I got William. We're gonna go check out this waterfall. Dude, check this out, dude. There's like a baby waterfall right here. Dude, this is so cool. Whoa, dude, check this out, dude. That's gorgeous. Beautiful. Look at that rock, it's like pushing that rock. Alright, we're gonna go down here, We're see if we can break my mom's ankle on Mother's Day.
You can go right there, there's not a jump though.
Oh, it's cool, it's like water like coming through here. This way. Yeah, we made it. You ready?
Yeah, we need something.
We're like up underneath this thing. Alright, go slow, you gotta stomp when you walk. You're gonna go this way.
Pull William over now. Go, it's our work.
Oh, Wayne's got it. This waterfall is super cool. Mom, William. Dude, it's slimy. Got mom, she's attempting to cross. Get to Kate. It is so nice right now. The waterfall is really flowing. The water feels really good. Dude, those rocks are slimy, aren't they?
That is terrible.
Sure, Quinn. You guys seen that?
Oh, I hear it.
Quarter that. Smaller. Treasure right there, dude. Dude, that looks slippery, bro. Let's go this way. Cross that slippery waterfall, Mom. Oh my God. Camera's rolling. Yeah, it looks so slippery. Maybe better than that pond right there. Yo, dude. Yo. Maybe better down here in this pond. Here, I got it. I don't want you breaking your hip on Mother's Day. Jesus, slippery as hell right there. I think these are wagon wheel tracks where the wagons would go through. You can see the marks. This would be a perfect place to cross if you're a wagon. Look at all these wagons trying to come up right here. It looks like, to me,
Made it in stone.
I don't know. Playing way over there. Sorry, my mom out there. This is like the top of the waterfall. This is really cool. This moss is super slippery there. That's cool. I mean, I'd be just chilling there.
Yeah, you can just lay right there.
Yeah. Pretty sure that's what this is.
At this point, it dropped to the bottom, and I came up out of the water and I was panicking. And another local diver dived down. I told him like the screen would probably be lit up, and he dove down and he found it, literally. And this is him.
Bro, what's your name? Hold on. My name is Ashton. I'm just glad I can help you find it, man. Where are you from, bro? Falcon City. Alright, dude, he actually dove down. You see the footage, he dove down and got it, dude. Dude, fucking A, dude. Hey. My name is Ashton. I'm just glad I can help you find it, man. Where are you from, bro? Falcon City.
Already got it. So we're here with my mom. It's Mother's Day. We're on the Swinging Bridge in Pawhuska. So in like 1926, they would use this to cross the creek.
Oh my God, I want to do.
Look at these old boards, Mom. Yeah, some of those boards aren't nailed down.
Dad, don't say that.
Dude, I'm serious.
No, I'm gonna go back if you say that. It's not about the law.
So look at these locks. See, each one of these locks is someone that's died on this bridge crossing.
Do you see it? Oh, shut up.
See?
It's annoying. Hey, Dad, do you see that?
No,
turtle?
they're not.
Dad, actually, do you see that? Turtle?
Dude, it's lean and go. I'm freaking getting scared.
Look at the board. Someone can go first.
No, I'm not sure. These locks are pretty cool. I can go faster.
You're right, Dad. They're not nailed down.
I know, bro.
Can we look at the wall?
Literally, dude, look. This post is broke. Look.
I know it's broken.
It's literally broke right here, bro. Oh, dude, it's coming apart right here. Look. Super sketchy. Oh. Dude. Maybe we shouldn't have crossed. Dude. Dude, what in the world was that? Probably like a town thing. This is so cool.
I thought you said no, actually.
Flathead? Oh, dude.
Oh, it's green.
Dude, it says new. Oh.
What?